Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where dreams meet design and luxury finds its perfect address. Today, we're exploring one of the most breathtaking estates in Delray Beach, Florida, a masterpiece of architecture, elegance, and lifestyle located at 16,071 Quiet Vista Circle. Priced at $24,550,000, this modern estate is a flawless blend of sophistication and comfort, sitting gracefully on 2.6 acres of prime lakefront property inside the ultra-exclusive Stone Creek Ranch community, one of South Florida's most prestigious gated neighborhoods. Built in 2021 by Elamar with architectural design by Affinity Architects and interior elegance by Mark Michaels, this home redefines modern living with more than 11,500 square feet of pure inspiration. As the drone rises, you can see the perfect symmetry of the mansion from above, a sweeping driveway, lush landscaping, and stunning water views surrounding the property. The grand entrance welcomes you with towering glass doors that open to an expansive foyer bathed in natural light. Every inch of this home has been designed with precision, using the finest materials and a soft contemporary palette that balances warmth and sophistication. The open floor plan flows effortlessly from the main living area to the dining space and chef's kitchen, creating a sense of grandeur and intimacy all at once. The kitchen is a culinary dream come true, fully equipped with high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a marble island that doubles as both a workspace and a place to gather. Just beyond, the elegant dining area invites you to host unforgettable dinner parties, with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the tranquil lake. Moving through the house, you'll find beautifully designed spaces that make everyday living feel like a resort experience, from the cozy family lounge and piano room to the private library, theater, and wellness suite. Each room offers an atmosphere of calm sophistication. The home features 6 luxurious bedrooms and 9 stunning bathrooms, each crafted to perfection. The first-floor VIP suite provides a retreat for guests with its own sitting area and outdoor access, while the upper-level primary suite is a sanctuary of indulgence. Step inside and you'll be greeted by panoramic water views, a private terrace, a spa-inspired bathroom with a freestanding soaking tub, and a walk-in closet that feels like a boutique. Every design detail, from lighting to texture, reflects pure craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Outside, the magic continues with a spectacular east-facing pool pavilion designed for relaxation and entertainment. The Infinity Edge pool sparkles in the Florida sunshine, surrounded by lush gardens and open spaces ideal for social gatherings. There's a full-size tennis court, half basketball court, spa, and multiple lounge areas for family fun or sunset cocktails by the water. Whether you're enjoying a morning swim, hosting friends, or simply taking in the peaceful lakefront view, this property delivers the ultimate South Florida lifestyle experience. This home isn't just about luxury, it's about balance, privacy, and connection. Stone Creek Ranch is a rare community of only 37 estates, offering security, serenity, and exclusivity unlike anywhere else. From its elegant streetscapes to its expansive private lots, it's designed for those who value space, beauty, and peace of mind. And with Delray Beach's vibrant culture, fine dining, and beaches just minutes away, you're perfectly positioned to enjoy the best of both relaxation and sophistication. This video was created in collaboration with Lux Hunters Productions, a world-class real estate media company that captures properties with cinematic brilliance. A special thank you to Lux Hunters for providing the stunning visuals that bring this mansion to life. Visit their website to explore more of their exceptional work and discover how they're redefining real estate storytelling around the globe. At American Dream Mansions, we bring you the most exclusive and inspiring homes from across the United States. Each week, we showcase architectural masterpieces that celebrate innovation, design, and the art of living beautifully. If this home has captured your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join our growing community of luxury dreamers who believe that every great home tells a story, and that story begins with inspiration, creativity, and vision. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions, where every mansion is more than a house, it's a dream brought to life. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living beautifully.